Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing like a chit chat, get ready with me. I did one of these not that long ago and you guys seem to like it, so I thought I'd do it again. I'm not really getting ready for anything like special, but I just thought, you know, I would chat to you guys a bit. I probably don't really have anything interesting to say. I did ask you guys on Instagram to send in any questions you have so I could talk about stuff. But I put it up like not that long ago, so not really many people have asked anything. Oh, I just got it in my hair. We're just gonna use concealer. I'm just putting it underneath my eyes, then I'll blend it out with my beauty blender. I just bought a new one because, as some of you may know, because I mentioned it in like 10 videos, I just got concealer in my eyebrow. I had really dry eyelids for a while. And I didn't know why, so I thought I'd buy a new beauty blender, and obviously they're very expensive. So I bought one off of eBay which said it was like a real one, and it's this, and it's definitely not real, so kind of mad about it. And I was like, oh, I'll just keep using my old one until I decide that I really need to get a new one. But then for some weird reason I cut it in half. Like, I don't know what I thought was gonna happen. I was like, oh, this will be cool if it gets cut in half, but surprise, it wasn't. Yeah, so eBay, I'm coming for you. Also, my eyelids have become dry again, so it clearly wasn't the beauty blender. Now I'm just going to set my concealer with my powder. I just bought the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I used to use this when I was younger, and then it ran out, and then I just never repurchased it and kept using this really old powder, which I don't even know where it was from. But I finally treated myself to a new one. I mean, they only cost like £3, but it was a big stretch. So a question that quite a lot of people asked was, where's my eyebrow brush? Okay. Yeah, so a question a lot of people asked was, why did I start a YouTube channel? I don't really have like a big interesting story, to be honest. I was like 13, 14. Well, my first video was my, like, what I got for my 14th birthday. You can't find that video anymore. So technically I was 14, like just turned 14. And really the reason was I just really liked watching YouTube, and I really liked like fashion and beauty and lifestyle and all that. So that's really the reason I started. I don't have any like cool elaborate story, I just wanted to, so I did. It's almost Valentine's Day. Cannot wait. I love Valentine's Day. Even when I was single, I still loved Valentine's Day. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute, and I just love, you know? And I feel bad for people who are like, I hate Valentine's Day just because they're single. Like, you can still have fun on Valentine's Day, even if you don't have a significant other. If anyone's curious as to what my plans are for Valentine's Day, my boyfriend and I are going out for dinner the day before, because basically the place we want to go to is kind of expensive, and on Valentine's Day they have like a set menu and it's like really expensive. So we thought we would just go out the day before and save ourselves some money, and then on Valentine's Day, I don't really know what we're gonna do. We were gonna go like out somewhere, but I really just don't know. Now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go for kind of like a pinky look today, because I have these roses that my boyfriend got for me, and I want to take some photos with them for my Instagram. So I think I'm gonna do like a makeup look that will kind of match them. I know my last makeup tutorial, like the date night one, was all pinky and stuff too, but I'm sure you guys won't mind. So I'm gonna use this colour from the Kylie Holiday 2016 palette. It's in Sugar Cookie. I'm just going to be putting that everywhere. I'm now going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Just going to be putting that in my crease and like the outer corners of my eye. This looks so messy. So another question was, how long have you and your boyfriend been going out? 7 months-ish, just under 7 months. Yeah, he's gonna make fun of me for talking about him in a video. So I'm now mixing Cypress Umber and Red Ochre together. I feel like this is like the exact same tutorial I just uploaded, but sorry about it. I really thought I had more things to talk about, but it seems I do not. Because my eyelids are still like quite dry, it's making all the eyeshadow stick together, so we're just gonna ignore that. I'm now gonna do some eyeliner, but I don't like doing this in camera because it takes a lot of concentration, which I can't do when the camera's on, so I'll be back in a second with my eyeliner done. Okay, so just back from doing my eyeliner. Not gonna lie, I am just a god at doing eyeliner. It's not to like blow my own trumpet, but I know I'm good at it, you know? Sometimes you just need to tell yourself you're good at something. I'm now going to line my tight line with a black eyeliner. I hate doing this. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I'm really curious. You spend it with your friends, you spend it with your boyfriend slash girlfriend, like, what are you doing? I have this wee curly baby hair here, and I just can't get rid of it. I hate it. It looks like a mini quiff. This makeup just does not look good, but I didn't promise to be a makeup artist, you know? This is not what you guys are here for. I'm really in like a love-hate relationship with my hair right now. Like, part of me really wants to cut it, but then I know that I'll probably like hate myself for life if I cut my hair, but I just don't know if that's a risk I'm willing to take. So last but not least, I'm gonna be just putting on a bit of highlighter. I'm not using any bronzer or anything because I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but if I'm not wearing foundation when I put bronzer on, it just goes all not nice and cakey, so we're not doing that today. Just gonna check if anyone else has asked me anything on Instagram. No. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that I didn't really have much to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. Hope it was entertaining, and yeah, I will see you in my next video.